Mazda cx5 rear squeaking diagnosis. So I've inspected everything here in the back. I don't see any suspension problems causing a squeaking. And what I've come to the conclusion is it's just the brake pads are gotten down to the wear sensors, and that's the wear sensor making the noise. Here's the brake pad. Here's the wear sensor when it's sitting inside. It sits like this. And you can see how it sticks out into the brake pad. It's the same level as the pad material. And it's scraping on the rotor on the inside, causing that squeak. Even with bouncing the car up and down, it's because the wheel is slightly turning back and forth when you're bouncing the car, causing that to squeak on the rotor. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but even on the rotor, you can see a distinct different color right there in the middle where that sensor's been rubbing, that wear bar. And if you look at the pad material itself, it's nice and smooth right here. Then there's a big groove in it. Yeah, that was a better view right there. You can see it. And that's because they've gotten down to the level now where they're riding on the rusty part inside the rotor. So I suggest doing a rear brake job.